Okay, so I'm in Zotero right now, and as you can see, I have my personal library up here, my library, and I have the NYIT library, the library using for NYIT 120. So I've highlighted the folder. You could highlight any folder. I'll just keep it to the basic folder. And then I'm going to go back to Chrome browser, and then I'm going to pretend that I've searched the internet. I found an article. Now, if it was a peer-reviewed article, I can set it up in such a way that it'll attach the PDF, but in this case it's a web article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the right hand side and I'm going to click on the extension once, and then you'll notice in the left hand side it says saving to NYIT. So now if I go back to Zotero and I look under NYIT, it says search engines are sources of learning. So now I could take this and, currently it's in this folder. I could put it in the folder attention. I can create a variety of places where this can go. Likewise, I could take a citation, I could drag it to my personal library, right? Or I could go in the information overload. I can say this citation is of interest to me, and I can drag it to the NYIT folder, right? So what's going to happen here, I'm going to click the NYIT folder, and on the top right hand side, if I want, I can click sync. I'm syncing it with the Zotero server. And now if I go to the website, so I've gone from the web browser, I've taken an article, I've put it in Zotero, but now I'm going to go to the Zotero website, and I'm going to, after logging in, I'm logged in, I'm going to click groups, I'm going to click NYIT for our group, and you'll notice that I have the same citation here, the very same citation, right? Which is fantastic. Now the last trick is that you can grab a series of these citations, you can highlight them, and then you can generate some output. So if I wanted to create a bibliography from these items, and then it's going to ask me what kind of bibliography, so I might say, let me do an APA, or I could do an MLA 8th edition, and I can copy it to my clipboard, save as HTML, etc. So let's just do copy to clipboard, and then now, very quickly, I have that citation, right? So here's the citation that I just copied and saved, and you can, so you notice it's very valuable. I have these 5 citations. I clicked and I posited them, I stored them, and now here they are, and I'm ready to paste them into an essay. So this is but one way that you can use Zotero, but again, it's pretty powerful. So think in terms of the social bookmarking we did, but then also think in terms of the kinds of articles that you want to save when you're writing reports and essays and scholarly peer-reviewed articles and scholarly peer-reviewed information. So hopefully that's useful to you, especially Bishoy, but to everyone else.